Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 283 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation invites you to return to stillness, to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with your inner calm. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body soften. Let your thoughts settle like dust gently floating to the ground. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. Just this quiet moment with yourself. Now, say to yourself, I am grounded. I am at peace. And I am safe in stillness. Let each breath carry you deeper into calm. Rest here in this gentle quiet. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this stillness with you throughout your day, soft, grounded, and calm. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.